Hi, I'm Aaron with Jetters Northwest, and today I have Bradley, our lead service and repair technician. Bradley, we get a lot of customers that ask about servicing our brutes. Can you kind of go over and tell them kind of what we need to do and what they can do?
Yeah, absolutely. So typically on these machines, you're going to want to service it after the first 50 hours just as a break-in oil change. So you don't have to do a full service on that. You just do basically the oil on the pump right here, gearbox, and the engine. After that, every 100 hours, you want to do a full service. And you can do this yourself. A lot of our guys out in the field do. So right here is your oil drain for your engine. So you just hook up a 1/2-inch multi-purpose hose, put that to a pan, and drain the oil. Right down here, there's a little brass plug. Just put a little pan under there, catch that oil. It's about 12 ounces for filling that. And then right here, you have your pump oil. Drain that out, and it's roughly about a quart for full oil on that one. We also do sell full service kits for the engines. So Kohler provides us a oil filter, fuel filter, air filter, spark plugs, and 2 quarts of oil. So you can fully service the engine with that.
Now, how easy would you say the normal customers can do this? Or would you recommend going to a service center?
Generally pretty straightforward, but if you do require a service center, we do have a lot of service centers throughout the country. If we don't necessarily have a dedicated one in your area, we can certainly find one. We'll typically focus on small engine repair shops because they're fantastic for that. We also do have a dealer network.
Okay.
We have about, I think, 7 or 8 dealers in the country, and they're fantastic for service.
Thanks, Bradley. Appreciate that. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We have a full technician crew to help you out. And let's get out there and get jetting.